How to change bank account on Etsy. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your bank account on Etsy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're setting up your Etsy shop for the first time and that you want to update your bank account, you basically have to go to etsy.com, then click on this little shop manager, right? Once you click on shop manager, after a couple of questionnaires, you'll come to this page where you have to link your bank account, and at the bottom you can see your bank information. You can select where your bank is located and you can simply connect your bank via plate, so you can enter your taxpayer address as well as your street name. Now in case you have already set up this before and now you only want to change it, in that case when you come to etsy.com website, you have to click on the shop manager and then choose finances option. So when you choose the finances option, you'll find the option called payment settings, and when you click on payment settings, you'll find your bank and then you can update your bank account in that way respectively. But if you're doing it for the first time, this is how you do it. So I hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.